How to view song credit on YouTube Music app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view the song credits in YouTube Music app. To view the song credits on YouTube Music app, you will need to first open your YT Music or YouTube Music application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here now find the song for which you would like to view the song credits. Once you find the song, now you will need to simply tap on the three dots icon located at the right side of that song. Soon after tapping on it, you will be presented with this pop-up menu. Now from this menu, you will need to select View Song Credits option. You will be able to see this option at the bottom. Simply locate it and once you find it, simply tap on it. Soon after tapping on it, you will be taken to this page. Here, it will display you the information about the song such as who performed, wrote and produced the song along with the source of metadata. From here, you will be able to get the information you are looking for. So this is how you can view song credits of any song in the YouTube Music application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.